This script facilitates the creation of multiple 1D bolts by connecting RBE spiders with bar or beam elements. Select the repository folder in the UI customization menu to load the scripts. First, create the RBE bodies to model the head and the thread of your bolts. You can use either RBE2 or RBE3 connections. The script 1D bolts with pretension will create bar or beam elements between the RBEs and add a pretension load to them. Material and analysis properties are generated based on the specified parameters. By selecting the bar bodies in the browser, you can view the diameter of the bar element. The pretension loads are listed in the solution browser. Use the dialog designer in the UI customization menu to change the default values suggested in the interface. The create bars script works similarly by creating bars or beams without pretension between the RBE bodies.